You're watching Mining Headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. Gold prices rebounded above $3,000 an ounce on Tuesday, recovering from Monday's sharp drop. This as a weaker US dollar and rising trade tensions boosted safe haven demand. Spot gold was $3,007 an ounce on Tuesday morning, up 0.8%. Now, the bounce comes after gold briefly fell below the key $3,000 mark on Monday amid a global market sell-off that triggered profit-taking and margin calls. Analysts say growing fears of a recession and the prospect of lower U.S. rates continue to support bullion. Copper prices also plunged 7.7% on Monday, marking their worst three-day fall since the 2008 financial crisis. The sell-off followed investor risk cuts and fears of President Donald Trump's looming tariffs and slowing global demand. China may step in with more stimulus, but market sentiment remains weak. Still, prices rebounded sharply during the Monday session, rising nearly $1,000 in 2 hours, the biggest intraday jump since 2009. U.S. President Donald Trump has ordered a new review of Nippon Steel's proposed takeover of U.S. Steel, raising hopes the deal may finally go ahead. The move reverses Joe Biden's earlier block on national security grounds and sent U.S. Steel shares up nearly 14%. Trump directed the powerful CFIUS panel to assess whether further action is needed on the deal. Both companies welcomed the news, calling the partnership a boost to U.S. economic and national security. The decision comes as the firms challenge Biden's previous rejection in court, alleging political bias. U.S. President Donald Trump signs an executive order this week to boost coal mining and use inside the United States. The plan includes selling more coal mining rights on federal land and labeling coal a critical mineral. It also aims to ramp up coal exports and related technologies. Now, the move comes as Trump pitches coal to power energy-hungry data centers, but tech firms may resist the high-emissions fuel. Coal remains under pressure from cheaper gas, renewables, and climate regulations. Chile's indigenous communities in the Atacama Desert are in talks with mining giants Codelco and SQM to gain more say in lithium extraction projects. The goal is to craft a governance model that gives the Licananti people a formal role in decision-making. Negotiations follow growing global pressure for ethical mining and stricter environmental standards. Community leaders want firm commitments on water use and say it's time local voices help shape what happens on their land. An agreement could also help mining firms avoid social unrest, as seen in Panama last year. And that's where we leave your mining headlines for now. Bye-bye.